In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files in their original quality using Telegram. Whether you're looking to share high-resolution photos or critical video files, keeping the quality intact is important, and Telegram makes that process seamless and efficient. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your files reach the recipient without losing any of their original quality. To start off, you'll need to open the Telegram app on your device. It's that familiar blue circle with a white paper airplane in the middle. Once Telegram is open, scroll through your list of chats to find the one where you want to send your file. If you have a lot of conversations, you might find it easier to use the search feature at the top to quickly pull up the chat by typing in the name of the person or group. Once you're in the desired chat, you're going to look for the attachment icon. This typically looks like a paperclip, and you'll usually find it towards the bottom corner of the screen, next to where you type your messages. Tapping on this paperclip icon is like opening up a doorway to all your file options, so give that a quick tap. After you tap on the attachment icon, you'll be presented with several options on how to send your files. Here's where you need to pay special attention. To maintain the original quality of your files, you'll need to select File instead of Photo or Video. Photo and video are convenient for sending media quickly, but compress the file, which can degrade its quality. Choosing File ensures that the integrity of your document is preserved, crucial for high-quality images or important video files that you don't want compromised. Now, with the File option selected, you can browse and choose the photo or video you intend to send. This might involve navigating through your device's file manager or gallery to locate the correct file. Once you've found it, go ahead and select it. If you're unsure whether you've picked the right one, remember to double-check before moving to the next step. Once your file is happily sitting in the chat, it's time to send it. This is as simple as tapping the send icon, which is generally depicted as an arrow or a small paper plane. Giving it a tap will send the file in its pristine, untouched quality, ensuring that the recipient gets the full experience as you intended. And that's wrapped up. Sending files in original quality on Telegram is as easy as just a few taps, letting you stay connected with your friends or colleagues without any loss in fidelity. Whether you're sharing a special moment captured in a photograph or a crucial piece of video for a project, Telegram has you covered with effective and simple tools to keep your communications clear and uncompromised.